agos ng mundo sa kung ano lamang ang kaya ko.
Hello everyone, I'm Princess Charmel Asosito, and today's video, I will share with you some plant propagation techniques. Grafting and marcotting, or we can call it air layering. These methods are very useful because they help us produce new plants faster, keep the good qualities of the parent plant, and sometimes even make them stronger and healthier. Propagation is important, especially if you want to save money, grow more fruit-bearing trees, and preserve plants that are difficult to grow from seeds. So let's start with our first technique, cliff grafting. Cliff grafting is a method of joining two plants together. We use a strong plant called the rootstock. I'll be using papaya, in scientific name Carica papaya, as a rootstock, and a healthy branch called the scion. This technique helps improve the quality of the plant, make it bear fruit faster, and combine the good traits of two plants. Now let's start. So this is the materials needed. For this activity, I will use a healthy rootstock, a clean knife as cutting tool, ice wrapper and cellophane. These materials are simple and can be used at home. Choose a healthy rootstock. The rootstock must be strong and well grown. Cut the top part of the rootstock flat and straight. Then make a vertical cut in the middle, about 2 to 3 centimeters deep. Get a healthy scion from another plant. Cut the bottom part of the scion, like the letter V, so it can fit into the cut of the rootstock. Carefully insert the V-shaped scion into the slit of the rootstock. Make sure the inner green layers or cambium meet, so they can connect and grow together. Wrap the graft area with the ice wrapper. Tie it firmly, but not too tight that it will damage the plant. So, this will keep the scion and rootstock in place. Cover the graft with clear plastic to keep it moist and protected. This will help the graft heal faster. After a few weeks, if the scion starts to grow leaves, it means that cliff grafting is successful. And that's how we do cliff grafting step by step using simple materials. And now that we're done with cliff grafting, let's move on to another propagation method, which is called marcotting. This method is also very simple and effective in growing new plants. Marcotting is a way of making new plant by encouraging roots to grow on the branch, while it's still attached to the mother plant. We'll do marcotting on a pomelo, Citrus maxima. This technique is important because it helps produce new trees faster and ensures the new plant is healthy. So this is the materials needed. For marcotting, I will use a healthy branch of pomelo, in scientific name Citrus maxima, garden soil, plastic cellophane, plastic twine or straw rope, A clean knife. Make the garden soil moist. Press it slightly, just enough to hold together. Pick a matured, healthy branch of the pomelo tree. Take about 1 inch of bark from the branch. Scrape it gently so the inner part is exposed. This is where the roots will grow. Take the moist garden soil and wrap it around the exposed bark. Cover the soil with plastic cellophane. Tie both ends with plastic twine or straw rope. Make sure it's tight enough to hold the soil. You will know if the marcotting is successful once you can clearly see the roots. At this point, you can cut the branch below the marcot. So that is for today's lesson. Always remember, grafting and air layering are simple but powerful ways to help plants grow and healthy and strong.